Celebrate your life. Celebrate each moment. Can you see those scars that you've left on the fence? Brahma Day or Brahma Night, we'll call it a Kalpa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddesh. Before starting the video, I would request you all to like the video, comment on the video, share the video as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to keep getting notification whenever a new video is posted. So today I'm going to talk about 3 theories from my childhood that I thought were true. These 3 things I came up with my own mind, and it's kind of hilarious, it's kind of funny, it's kind of creative as well. So the first theory was that I used to think that everyone gets a chance to become a god. So I had this very devotional thinking when I was small, when I was a child, and I used to see all these shows on TV which was related to Krishna, which was related to Shiva, etc. And I used to always think that every human being, once he's dead, gets a chance to become a god. And it depends on how much good you do in this world, that then you might become Indra, you might become Vishnu, you might become Brahma. So at the end of your life, the main motive was to become God. So that is what I used to think for a long time. It was a very interesting theory, and I still think that if something like that is true, then it would be amazing. And you would have so much power if you really spend your life in a good way. So the second theory which I thought was true was that I used to think that the consciousness of a person could move from one body to another any day, any time. Which means I used to always think, why do I think that I am Siddesh? Why am I in Siddesh's body or this body? And I used to think that my consciousness, whatever is there right now, could move to someone else's body tomorrow when I get up. After sleeping, when I get up, someone else's consciousness might come inside me, and my consciousness might move into someone else's body. And I used to think this could be true and this could happen any day. So I used to be very happy every day when I get up, and I used to know that my consciousness is still in this body. And sometimes I used to wish that my consciousness should have been in Shah Rukh Khan's body or some other famous celebrity's body. So this theory also was there, which again, if it was true, it would have been wonderful to get up in someone else's body someday. But again, it would be very difficult to maintain your life when you are getting up in another body, and then you have to again make new friends and new people, and you have to go through your whole life again and again. The third theory which I thought was true was, I used to think that children are born just by God's blessing or something like that after marriage. Means I used to think that if someone got married, if God is willing to give them a child, He used to send a blessing from above, and it used to go and sit inside the mother's stomach, and then the child would be born. So this I used to think for a long time, until we had biology classes in school, and then we got to know that how actually the process of reproduction happens. So I just wanted to share these 3 creative theories from my childhood. I am sure you would have found it funny and creative. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.